Probably sleeping.
I'm with Mrs. Failed. Can you hurry up?
Didn't fail. Didn't fail. So to go.
You actually stink.
I know, smell it.
Ah! Oh, it's flat. Oh, oh, it's a knot.
Mum, kick. Why does your leg go so high?
You do yours. You do yours. Go. No. See, that's why she failed. See?
You know what? You're gonna
To the top.
you're gonna spot something.
In this thing. See, I was a gymnast back in the days. I was so good. Look at this. Look, I can do it like 5 times in a row. See? Nobody in this world can do that. Only
Sharon, not that. Thanks, Sharon. Thanks, Sharon. Lion.
what the fuck?
What?
Okay, so guys, Darrell failed
No, I didn't.
epically.
No, I didn't.
Her hops were disgraceful.
No, I weren't.
Her side steps were so off. Yes, Elias, tell them.
What'd you say? What'd you say?
She
What'd you say? What'd you
what?
say?
She farted. The water's there. I've got a headache now from you doing that.
What? I'm just carrying because you're light.
That this goes all the way over there. She was sweating, guys, when she failed.
I didn't fail. I passed.
Failed. How was your KFC on the way home?
I didn't get
Gonna open the door. If whoever's in the house, if you open the door now, I'll give you $1,000. You got 3 seconds. Yeah. Can you open it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Open the door. Hello. Anybody home? Is there a kid there?